Good morning, my friends. I am so excited to have you back with me today. I brought the lesson outside because it is gardening, and where do we garden? Outside. It's a beautiful day and I just hope that you can hear me okay because of the slight breeze, but I also hope that you enjoy it. We have a fun, icky, sticky lesson today. You ready? The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up. The sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. What's your name? Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? It's gardening day. But what day is it today? I know. I changed my calendar out. I brought it outside. What day is it today? Thursday! Yes! Today is Thursday, April 9th. Hoy es el jueves, el 9 de abril. Now, before we do our song, mommies and daddies, mums and dads, mummies and daddies, mummies and daddies, I am not that keen on these signs as a Montessori teacher, or maybe as a teacher in general, as they are all in capital letters. They're all in uppercase letters. I bought this because it was in the dollar section at one of my favorite stores, but I actually wrote in cursive. We teach in cursive because it is easier as a young child to write with, as your hand does not leave the page, but we can talk about that more another time. These are all in uppercase letters, and it's not something I would choose to have out because obviously young kids learn from everything that they model and what they see, and it's a lot of things these days are in uppercase letters and capital letters, so you might find that your child starts writing everything in capital letters. So I try as much as possible to keep it in lowercase, but just for today we have this out in uppercases. Are you ready? Let's do our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Los días de la semana son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son siete, son siete. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? I'm getting my numbers all wrong today. C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky? Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like with you today? Here, there's a bit of a breeze, but it's sunny. So I'm going to sing about the sun, but if the weather is different with you, you sing about the weather with you. Ready? I know a day just like today, and sunny was the weather. S-U-N-N-Y, 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 and sunny was the weather. My friends, I am so excited for today. We're going to do something super icky, super messy for our gardening day. We are going to make mud pies. Mud pies. I know what mummies and daddies are thinking right now, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be so messy because we can keep it in a pot. Now, soil, as you know, I've been doing a lot of work on my gardening. Soil is made up of different mineral particles derived from rocks, and there are 3 categories of these mineral particles. The first category is sand. These are the largest particles. These are the ones, if you rub soil in your hand, you can feel them. They're very coarse, they're very dry. They're the largest particles in the sand. We also have silt. Silt, I guess silt feels kind of like flour. If you were cooking with flour in your hands, silt is like flour. And then we have clay. Clay is the finest part. Clay is sticky when it gets wet, and it also clumps together. It kind of sticks together. So we are going to explore the soil in our mud pies today, and we are going to see whether our soil has more sand, more silt, or more clay in it. Now, I took a few samples of soil from different parts of my garden. They are going to be very similar, but I know in different parts of the world your soil is different, so I'd be so interested to see what your soil consists of. And if you are not a member of our Facebook group, Circle Time with Miss Alexa, please go and have a look for it, and I will invite you to it, and I would love to see your photographs and your pictures of your mud pies to see where you are from and what your soil is like. You ready? I have my tray with, I'd say 2 types of soil, but some of the soil is from my back garden and some of the soil is from my front garden. So let's see what happens. I have my stirrer, I have my hands, and I have some water. So you may want to do it outside, but if you do it inside too, just make sure you put a cloth down. It's going to get a bit messy, so are your hands. I'm going to put a little bit of water in my first soil. Now you can mix it up with a stick. I'm going to mix a little bit, and then what I want to do is take it out and make a ball. Let me see. It's kind of like cooking. Woo! See my ball of soil? Now, I'm going to pat it out like a pie. I have a small pie. Ooh. Oh. Now it feels grainy and it's sticking together quite well. Can you see? You hear the wind? That's the soil from my front garden. Let's try the soil from my back garden. Add a little water. Give it a bit of a stir. Ooh, there seems to be a lot of things in this actually. I say things because I don't really know what else is in it. I'm hoping it's not worms. I don't really like worms. Although worms are very good for the soil. Okay. Let's take it out and make a ball. Ew, yucky, icky, yucky mud. Oh, now I'm finding a lot of it is falling apart a bit more than my other one. Let's pat it down into a pie. Okay, my friends, so let's examine them. But oh, this is falling apart, see? Have a close look at these. Now what this tells me is if it's falling apart more easily, this is made up of a lot of sand. The bigger particles don't stick together very well, so I actually thought they'd be the same, but I think there's a lot of sand in my back garden. Now this one's sticking together a bit more, which tells me there's more silt and more clay in here. Wow, check out my mud pies. Now you can make your mud pies a lot more messy if you want to. I just kept mine neat and clean. But now I know what my soil is consisted of. How exciting! Sand, silt, and clay. Okay. I'm gonna take a wipe now. I always have wipes with me because I have young children. How about you? They're really nice. And my napkin. Dry my hands off. Now today, I don't have a song to play to you. I'm going for poems the end of this week. And I made up my own poem that I would like to say to you, and it's about mud. What I thought that you could do at home was come up with little rhymes about mud by yourselves, or with your mummies and daddies, or your brothers and sisters. You could make an acronym out of it with duh, like we did yesterday with giraffe, or you could just make a silly rhyme. You ready? Do you want to hear mine? It goes like this. Icky, sticky, yucky mud. Clean my hands. I really should. Bite it. Eat it. Lick it clean. My mom hates mud. She's really mean. Watch me as I throw it high. Oh no, it hit me in the eye. Icky, sticky, yucky mud. Clean my hands. I know I should. My friends, I would love it if you could come up with your own little rhyme or acronym about mud. Have a think. It doesn't necessarily have to rhyme. Poems don't have to rhyme. But I would love to hear about them. I would love to see them if you have pictures to draw with them for our younger friends. Let's finish on some icky, yucky mud breathing. Let's make squelchy noises. Are you ready? Shoulders up and down your back pockets. Breathe in. Squelch out. Squelch, 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 squelch. Squelch, 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 squelch. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends. I'm excited to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to have a special lesson, a special day, because tomorrow is a very, very special day in Christian communities, and I would love to share that with you and also have a craft for everyone. So I hope you have a wonderful evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.